Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're using the movie and TV app on your Windows 10 computer, or perhaps Windows Media Player or Groove or another video playing application, and it says that another app is controlling your sound at the moment. To listen here, close that app and try again. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in services. Best match should come back with services right above desktop app. Go ahead and left click on that one time. Now you want to scroll down on the right side until you get to Windows Audio. Right here. Want to right click on that and then left click on restart. Once you're done with that, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that will have been able to resolve your problem. If you are still experiencing a problem, you can go ahead and just left click on the start menu again, type in sound. Best match, or one of the best matches, should come back with sound right above control panel. Don't select sound settings above system settings. You want to just select sound above the control panel option. You can go through the control panel as well to access this appearance. Please note there's a difference between the modern UI sound settings versus this settings. You want to go ahead and select the speaker you're having the problem with, and then left click on where it says properties. Select the advanced tab, and where it says allow application to take exclusive control of this device, you want to uncheck it. So just click inside the box one time to have it turn off, which will mean it'll be an empty box in here. Once you're done, go ahead and left click on apply and OK. Again, we'd suggest restarting your computer, and hopefully that should be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.